Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You might have come across a pop-up from Google Chrome this morning that has basically told you uBlock Origin was turned off. This extension is no longer supported. Chrome recommends that you remove it. Now, it prompts you to remove uBlock Origin, but what you can actually do is enable it. So you go to Manage Extensions, you click on this extension can I read and you click on this button right here and then you press turn on. Now what this does, it enables uBlock Origin even though it gets disabled by Google Chrome. And now if you actually search uBlock Origin extension no longer supported and click on Reddit, here you can find the answer on why Google is trying to do this. Now, Google is trying to see the reaction of people. You can still enable it. Not supported is a lie. And it goes down into further detail on how to enable it. Again. Now, it is quite stupid because now every time you open Google Chrome, you will get prompted to that message, or every couple of times, which is really stupid. Now, if you have been not very up to date on these hidden things and loopholes that Google is trying to put you through to enable the extensions, and you clicked, for example, remove extension, and you try to install uBlock Origin from the Chrome Web Store, you will not be able to do so. So what you want to do is go into the search bar, search for uBlock Origin extension CRX, which is the file version which Google extensions use for Chrome. You go on the first link here, and I'll also leave this link down below, and click install, no, download CRX from Web Store. And you can see that the download is getting blocked from Google Chrome because they don't want you to have this anymore. You click download suspicious file, and you can see that after some time, which again, they try to hinder you in every way and make it impossible for you to download this. As you can see, I've already downloaded this earlier and now I want to share it, but it has finished downloading now. You go to Google Extensions, Manage Extensions, and you have to enable developer mode. This will make it possible for you to install extensions which have not been downloaded from the web store. So what you do, you copy this new file, as you can see. This is the second file I downloaded, so you don't think that this is some kind of virus or anything. You go ahead and you drag and drop it to your Chrome browser, and you click on Add Extension. And as you can see, uBlock Origin has now been added, and it's the same version from the web store, but it has been removed from the web store, and Google is trying to make it impossible for users to use uBlock Origin. So this is the actual only current method to install uBlock Origin to your Chrome browser as of 2025. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you like it and subscribe. And let's show Google that they cannot do this and that this is absolutely outrageous and this is anti-consumerism at its finest, and we will not stand for it. So please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and your family if you want to continue to use uBlock Origin. We have to stand up against these corporations that are trying to take away our rights to use the products that they made. So please, again, comment, like, and subscribe, share the video, and you'll help me very much. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this video helped you. See ya. Peace.